Hello, I'm Susan Graham of Senior Edge Legal. And what I want to talk to you about today is how to use your mandatory minimum distributions on your IRAs to make charitable distributions. I have many clients who have a charitable bent and give money to different nonprofits during the year because that pleases them and that meets their personal values. But did you know you could use your IRA minimum distribution to make that charitable contribution? When you take money out of your IRA, when you're forced to take the minimum distribution, you have to report that as taxable income, and a portion of that goes off as tax. If you take your IRA minimum distribution and give that to a nonprofit, they get 100% of that. None of that goes out as income tax. So if that's something that interests you because you don't need that income and you want to give it to charity, the technique that I suggest you use to make it easiest to track for charitable contributions tax records is have the IRA company make the check payable to, I'm going to say, your local college, and then have them mail that check to you. Then you send that check off to that college, that nonprofit, and that'll show up on the nonprofit's records that it comes from you. Sometimes when you say to the IRA company, just mail the check to the college, what will happen, they'll do that, but the records get kind of blurry and confused, and they don't automatically reflect that it came from you. So the best way to take a minimum distribution from your retirement accounts and give them to a nonprofit is tell the company, the IRA company, write the check to the nonprofit, send it to you, then you take that check and send it off to the charity. That way they get 100% on the dollar as opposed to less if you take it, pay the tax, and then you give the gift to the charity. Hope this works for you. Thank you.